Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can install Facebook Pixel in Shopify and track your conversions. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify.com, and what we want to do first is go log in, or if you don't have an account, you can start a free trial. For me, I'll be starting a free trial with my dummy email, and go click here and just wait for it to load. Right there. Just wait for it, and now we're here for this step. It's just I'll just say I'm already selling, and I go next and skip all and the region, of course. And after that, it has successfully been created. I just need to do is wait for this. This one's gonna take a while. So here we are, now that we have successfully created our Shopify account. Now we can add the Facebook pixel right here, and you can do that by searching here, searching Facebook right here. And what we want to do is just wait for it. And as you can see, it says in the store results. What you want to click on is in the store results, not on the Shopify admin or so on, or just in the resources, not this one, but here in the Facebook and Instagram right there. After that, you just need for it to wait for it to load. But if you don't see it, let's go back again so that I can show you. Here, type Facebook again, and just to be safe, so that you would find the correct one, you can just click here and search for Facebook in the Shopify App Store, and you'll be choosing, it will be redirected here. And what you want to do is go click here in Facebook and Instagram, and here as you can see, it is developed by Meta as indicated here, and that is a way for you to tell that it is really legit. This is the legit Facebook and Instagram Shopify app. So you want to install this app right here, but I already have it installed, so all I need to do is open the app right here. But I haven't set up this account yet, so I still need to set up. And after you have installed and you have opened the app, this is where you will be prompted, and you want to click on start setup right here, and you want to connect your Facebook account. So once you have already log in your Facebook account before this, you can just easily connect and just click the button, and it will automatically connect, and it will show you all the Facebook pages that you have here as your business assets. But if you don't have one, then you can just create new right here and go to Facebook. You will be asked to create new if you don't have any here, or if you want to just simply create new because you don't want to use the other pages that you have here or the other business assets that you have. So let's just refresh the page right there, connect again, and here are the business assets that we have. Let's just go for a different one. Let's say we want to create this one, or no, I'd want to connect this one. So let's connect, and we just simply need to select the Shopify right here. Or if you don't have one, if you don't have business account, then you can just create new right here. Then it's just really easy, but I'm not going to do that because I already have one. And select that and connect. And after that, you will be asked here to choose a preference right here. You can have conservative, enhanced, or maximum. It depends on what you want right there. But for me, I'd want to go on enhanced because it is used, proven, and established methods for strong ad performance. So I gotta go through that. So I'm gonna hit on save right here, and after that, it has been now connected. So as you can see, it says here, connect a pixel to track customer behavior, and I want to connect it. So I'll click here on connect right there, and it has now been approved. But if you don't have one, then you can just create a new Facebook pixel. You can create new right here, and the process is very simple right there. You don't need any guidance because it's very straightforward. So let's go confirm, and the terms and condition, of course, you need to accept the Facebook seller's agreement to sell your product or Instagram right there. Submit for review, and after that, it is finalizing channel setup, and this may take up to a minute. Please do not refresh the page. So after this, after you have successfully added Facebook pixel, then you can start shopping on Facebook, creating your shop on Facebook, so that you could have your market expand into Facebook. Customers can browse your products on Facebook and are directed to your store to complete their purchases. So that is a really good deal for you. And you could also run ads on Facebook and Instagram using this Facebook pixel. And there it is. The process has now been completed, and it says we're reviewing your Facebook sales channel. So you just need to wait for that so that you could start using Facebook Pixel. But you can already go here in your Facebook Meta Business Suite, and you can check here in the All Tools, and you want to go to here into Events Manager right here. And let's just wait for it to load quite a bit. Here under Advertise, you can go for Events Manager right here, and here it is. It's just taking a while to load because it has been a while since I opened this. And here also, I forgot to mention, you could start verification right here into your shop right here in your Facebook pixel, so that you can speed up the verification, and you could start selling on Facebook and Instagram immediately. And here, as you can see, these are the issues that I have in my shop. That is why it needs verification. As you can see, you need to start verification. You need to add products right here. Start verification right here. As you can see, I need to provide this one, but this is for the tutorial, so I won't provide this. But in your case, you should provide that so that you could be verified in Facebook Pixel, and you would be able to complete it, and you will be able to use it so that you can start selling on Facebook or Instagram. So here we are again in, let's just go again, refresh the page for Events Manager right there. As you can see, here we are in Events Manager, and as you can see, I already have this. This is the indication that you have a fixed Facebook pixel that is connected into your Facebook account, or Facebook page, or Facebook business account. So once you have this, then you're all good. This is actually the Facebook pixel that I have added to my Facebook account a long time ago. So it's still here. But as you can see, we have just added a new Facebook pixel right here, but it is not here yet because you have already seen this. This is I still need to verify so that it would be added right here. But this is where you are going to monitor the statistics in your Facebook or Facebook pixel in your Shopify app. This is where you can see that Facebook Pixel has been successfully installed, and after that you can now use Facebook Pixel in selling your Facebook, Instagram, and you can even run ads. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.